In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up the audio assignment using the NanoGong module in Moodle. We're going to go from not having anyone, setting it up correctly, and then in the next video we'll talk about how to grade a student's assignment. So this one we're just going to explain how to set it up. So this is a typical course. First thing that you have to do, if you don't already have it on, is turn editing on. You'll notice that I have two browsers here. This one with the blue stripe up here is going to be my instructor browser, and this one below it is going to be the student browser. So the first thing we want to do is click on Add an Activity, and then if you scroll down most of the way down, you'll see an activity called NanoGong. This is what we're going to be using for the student's audio assignment. Okay. The first thing it's going to ask you for is name of the assignment. So this is first audio assignment. Let me back up just a hair. There's two ways that you can add instructions to this assignment. One is going to be written instructions, but you can also add an audio prompt if you want students to be able to listen to something and then respond to it. Let me back up one step here. We're going to take you back to the course. In order to do that, what you need to do is that you need to upload an MP3 audio file to your course, and then we're going to embed that audio file inside the assignment. So I've already prepared one, and if you click on Files, and then here is my audio assignment questions. Okay. If you right click on that or control click on that, you can copy the link. Okay, it's either copy link or copy link location. That's going to copy that from this assignment. Now when we create the assignment, we're going to embed that in, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's go back to here and click on NanoGong. And then if you have this WYSIWYG editor, this one that has all the buttons, what you can do is you put a piece of text in, and then you highlight that text and you click on the link button, and this is where we insert that thing that we just copied. So we're going to paste that in. You'll notice it has the link to that, and then we click OK. Now from this screen all you're going to see is a little underlined dot, and that's okay. And you can have this more text than that, but that's the minimum that you have to have. If you have, if you're editing this in Safari where you don't get the WYSIWYG editor, all you have to do, and I'm just going to show you this, we're going to toggle the HTML source. All you have to do is put in an href tag, and so just ahref equals colon in colon slash the dot in between. I mean, that's as simple as that. It takes just a couple seconds to do that. And then you can also add some text to the instructions on this. So listen to the above recording and follow directions. Okay. Now you can have as much text as you want in this, and you can highlight it and, you know, make it italicized or whatever. Notice that they can't see anything right now. It's really important that you put in, when you upload your audio file, that it's in MP3 format, because Moodle, what it'll do is it'll create a player for it, regardless of what kind of plugin it is. So if you record it in MOV format or AVI or WAV or whatever, those may or may not play for the end user. But if you use MP3, Moodle will create a player. Let me show you what that means, what that looks like. So we're going to hit Save Changes to that. So the first thing that happens is that this is a Java applet, and so this is going to pop up on your system. It says something like this: do you want to allow access to this? You have to click Yes, Allow, and then this is going to show you what the assignment looks like. So here is the thing that we just put in. Let's listen to it. Hello, these are the audio instructions for this assignment. After each question, okay, this is the one that I recorded earlier in MP3 format, and this is what the assignment looks like. If we go back out to the course, we can see that our first audio assignment is now in week 1 in this course. So let's go in as a student and see what the student sees. So notice that it's not in here, so let's just refresh this page because we're already logged in as the student, and this new assignment should appear. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like to the student when they view an assignment. So we're going to click on this first audio assignment. It's going to ask if we want to allow this application to run. They have to click yes, allow, otherwise this won't work. And you'll notice that they'll get this little audio message recorder thing. So they can title their first response. And then they can put in some text here if they want or not. What they're really interested in, it says listen to the above recording and follow directions. So let's listen to it. Hello, these are the audio instructions for this assignment. After each question there will be a pause. Please speak during these pauses. Record as many times as you like and submit when finished. The questions are as follows. Please say your name. Clayton Mitchell. What's today's date? August 3rd. Tell me something about yourself. I don't have green eyes. So we're going to stop it here, and if we're the student, we can listen to see if we liked this or not. Clayton Mitchell. August 3rd. I don't have green eyes. Alright, so you notice that we have that recorded in there. That's held. If the students want, they can download it. The last thing they need to do is they need to submit the message. So this is what the students see, that it's been submitted. Okay. Right now, that there's no comments and no score as far as the student's concerned, but you have the little player there where they can listen to it, the thing that they just recorded. Let's go back over here as an instructor, and we can see that that student submitted. I'm going to stop this video here, and on the next one we'll talk about how to grade this assignment.